If you're a professional photographer and you are looking for the best way to safely store and also deliver photo albums to your clients, I have the solution for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use SmugMug and why it's the best online photo storage tool you can use as a professional photographer. So a little bit about me. I've been a photographer since 2007. I've literally worked with thousands of different clients, and without a doubt, SmugMug has been one of the best tools I have ever used when it comes to interacting with my clients. I think a lot of people struggle with the best way to actually deliver clients albums. And for me personally, SmugMug has been the best way to do that. So I'm going to put the link down below. If you guys actually use that link in the description, it's going to take you to a landing page for SmugMug that allows you to start a free 14-day trial, and you don't even need your credit card. This video is not sponsored by them. I've just been such a big fan, and I thought that I would help you guys out and sort of show you guys how the platform works. So I'm here on SmugMug's website, and if you guys do want to learn more about their different plans, you guys can click here. You guys can see that they have a power plan, a portfolio plan, as well as a pro plan. And these plans are extremely affordable. I think it's worth every single cent. And you can see that their power plan currently is $13 a month, or if you want to prepay for a year, which I actually recommend, you can save 29%, and it's going to be $110 for the year, which is, extremely affordable. This is going to give you unlimited full resolution storage. You get really great support from SmugMug's team, tons of design tools and templates, right? You can create a website, and you can even use a personalized domain name. For most of you guys watching this, I'd say that Power should be okay. Portfolio adds a few more features, including integrated sales and fulfillment tools, as well as watermark protection. And then if you want all that stuff, but even more, for example, custom photo and gallery pricing, client management tools, and marketing promotions, coupons, and packages, then yes, you guys can check out the Pro plan. But like I said, for most of you guys, Power should be good, or Portfolio. If you guys want to try it out for free, you'll click here, try free. It'll have you answer a question. So let's say you want to do this, and this, and then you'll click continue. It's going to have you enter in your information to set up your trial account. Like I said, no credit card needed, so it's literally a win-win for you. So here I am in my own SmugMug dashboard. And I'm just going to show you guys sort of how I was able to deliver photos to clients. So let's click on, let's say this one, and you guys can see these are all different albums that I've created, and each album was for a specific client. So as you guys can see, I have created this album. All the photos are uploaded to it. And if I come here to settings, it's going to actually bring up a lot of information. And yeah, the best part about this is that you can tweak a bunch of different things involving the security and sharing, as well as photo protection. So you guys can see I named this gallery just Kylie. So that was the person's name. I could have added a description, any keywords I wanted. I could create a feature image if you want, which is actually pretty cool. And then you can also have a custom URL. So when I do share this album with the clients, I'm going to copy this link right here and just, email it to them, and they are going to be able to view that album. Here for security, you can select the visibility. So right now it's on unlisted. So if you guys were technically to go to that link, you would be able to see the entire album. So I'm going to actually turn it to private. You can actually have guests upload their own photos if you want. You can tweak the appearance of the gallery. So right now we have it set as collage landscape, and that's default. I could select the gallery cover image if I wanted to. You can change the sort by as well as sort direction, and you can also choose whether or not you want to show the camera information and the file names. But yeah, let me show you guys what the gallery looks like. So if you guys enter in the URL, it's going to take you to the main gallery page. You guys can see there's a featured image here, and then they're going to be able to scroll through and see all of their images. They can click on one. It's going to make it full screen, or at least semi-full screen. So if they want to have it, take up the entire screen, they can click on this. You can actually click this to play slideshow. They can look at the photo details. They can share this photo. They can actually comment on it, or they can download this individual photo. You can also create the settings to have them be able to buy photos directly. But yeah, the whole interface is really good. It's really easy to use. I've had a lot of very positive feedback from my clients about SmugMug. And if you come here, you can also click this, which allows them to actually share the gallery. So they can copy this gallery link and share it with their friends and family. They can have their own photo app on their phone, and you can also change the settings for the slideshow. Not only that, you can choose whether or not you want the slideshow to be full screen or embedded. If I click this to see the slideshow, this is what it's going to look like. So it's full screen on my end, but I think it's gonna be cut off for you guys. Pretty cool. I'll click escape to get out of that. And then if they want to just download the photos, they can click this. It's gonna have them enter in their email address, and it's going to prepare the album for download and send it to their email address. So yeah, I've literally done this with thousands of different clients. And for me, the upload speed was extremely fast. The download speed is also very, very fast. I've just never really had a problem with clients trying to figure out how to use SmugMug, since it is so intuitive and easy to use. So going back to my main dashboard, let me show you guys how to upload a new album. You'll go up here to upload. You can choose into a new gallery, into an existing gallery, or you can just click upload folders. So since we are doing a new gallery, I'll click on this one. It's going to have me enter in the title, description. I can create a custom URL if I want. I'll be able to tweak the security and sharing. So let's call this Test Album 2022 Part 2. I can create a description. Hello, test. Right? If I want a custom URL, I can say 2. Right? And then I can go to security and sharing. Do I want this to be visible to the public or anyone, or do I want it to be unlisted? So for me, I would normally select unlisted. Access anyone with a link. You can also secure it with a password, or you can just individually choose people that get access. For now, I'm just gonna say anyone with the link. If you want people to be able to upload their own photos to this album, you can enter in upload or something. It's going to generate another link for that. You guys can choose what the maximum display size is. You can apply a watermark if you want. And yeah, come down here to appearance. You can choose what you want your gallery to look like. So yeah, you guys can play around with all these different things. There's tons and tons of different things you guys can do. But let's say I'm happy with this. I'm gonna click create. And from here on, it's going to allow me to actually upload photos to this album. And I can either drag them from my desktop to here, or I can click browse computer. So I have in my Finder window some photos that I can upload to this album. So I'll just select them here. I'm going to drag them here. It's going to upload these. And after the photos are done, I'll click on this X to X out of this. And it's going to take me to that album. So bam, this is the album. I'll click here, settings. And here is where I'm going to be able to find that link that I can share with people. And of course, if I want to tweak any of these other settings, I can go ahead and do that. But yeah, from there, I basically just take this link, I send an email to the client thanking them for the awesome shoot, say a couple compliments about some things they did really well, and then of course I'll drop the link to the album. And yeah, that's the way that I've been delivering albums to my clients for many, many years. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and like I said, I'm going to put that link down below in the description, and when you use that link, it's going to allow you to actually have a free 14-day trial to SmugMug so that you can test out all the features yourself. But yeah, I guarantee you guys are going to fall in love with it. Anyways, that is it for this video. Hope you guys found it helpful. Feel free to reference this video whenever you want. And yeah, if you got some value out of the video, I'd really appreciate you guys clicking that like button and also subscribing to the channel if you want to see more how-to videos just like this and free guides. The whole purpose of the channel is to be a free resource for entrepreneurs and startups. Thank you for your time, and I'll see you in the next video.